tutorial I will talk about how to read the diagrams for the body of the butterfly. We have 4 diagrams, different kind of diagrams, and each diagram explains to you how to make the body of a butterfly. So here how it looks like together with the butterfly. And I have one that just don't have antennas yet, just so that you can see. We have picots on the side of the butterfly's head. They are eyes, and antennas I can later attach to the top, to the tip of the head of the butterfly. And prolonged body, tail, body that turning into a tail. All is done crocheted into the circle all the time. And so here we have also this small diagram of the body of the butterfly. So let's look at this one first really quick and see what those symbols mean. Just want to make sure you see everything. So first 7 rounds of the diagram from here will go into this head of the butterfly's body. Then from round 8 till round 12 we will have we will crochet the body, and for the tail of the butterfly starts on the diagram up here from round 13 and finish with round 22. And also you will have a very simple diagram for the antennas. Antennas are made very simple. You have chain 9, then you turn, you see this turning around red arrow into the second stitch of the second stitch from the hook on both sides. As you can see, you make 5 single crochet stitches, and then you finish both antennas with 8 single crochet stitches into the chain. After you finish it, all this done right into the head of the butterfly. You just you can sew it if you want, but I would just attach right away and crochet from the head of the butterfly and weave in your thread. Now let's come back and let's talk quickly about the both diagrams that are round. They're probably the most difficult to read and to use in crochet. So for this reason I would recommend you to have something like this, post-it note that you can stick to the with little arrow. I cut that arrow actually, and that you can put on the numbers right here and see and read your and follow your diagram so that you will not lose your stitches. Numbers in the diagram in black and in black circles right here are the numbers of rounds, and red numbers are numbers of stitches in each round. We will have here slip stitch only once at the very beginning. First round is finished with slip stitch to secure the magic loop. Then we will have single crochet stitches. We know how they are. Those dots are nothing but just moving from one stitch to another. This is a stretched diagram. You cannot, we have a 3D body that is round, and in order to make diagrams flat, this is how they look like. Those lines, broken lines, are nothing but showing you following them direction, which way you go, and follow each stitch, and how you count and follow stitches in each round. Also we have stitches like that, the symbols like that. This is a single crochet increase when you make 2 single crochet stitches in one stitch. You also will have a symbol like that. This is a single crochet decrease. It's like letter V upside down with a single crochet underneath. So this what that mean. So let's at the beginning, when you will start your body of the butterfly, you make magic loop, and you will make 5 single crochet stitches into that loop. Tie the loop so that opening will be closed, and single slip stitch at the end. After that, for the second round, and if you have post-it note, you just will post it and move it. You will have 10 single crochet stitches, and how to achieve that? you make single crochet increase or 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch of the previous round, which will give you 10 single crochet stitches. You will have another increase for the round 3, which will be single crochet, then single crochet increase, again single crochet increase, and so on. So you do single crochet increase every other time for the round 3. For the round 4 is a very interesting round. You will make so round 3 will be finished. You will have 15 stitches total, and then you will have in round 4, 5, and 6 15 stitches, the same amount of stitches, 15. For the round 4, it's be careful not to lose something. This is eyes of the butterfly. We need those picots, as you see. We have picots here. So we begin round 4 with single crochet stitch, and we make 7 single crochet stitches. Then we'll make picot, close picot with slip stitch, and make another 7 single crochet stitches, and again make picot, close the picot with slip stitch, and last stitch in round 4 is single crochet stitch. After that, round 5, 6, 2 rounds, round 5 and 6 are single crochet stitches, 15 single crochet stitches you crochet for twice, 2 times for round 5 and around 6. I'm trying to zoom out and it's zooming in. Now, after round 6, after next round is round 7. In this round, we have single crochet decrease. You see this? So you will have to make 8 stitches total. For round 7, you start with decrease. Make 2 single crochet stitches together. You do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and last stitch right in here. If you follow it correctly line by line, those lines are helping you to follow, you will have single crochet stitch. You will finish it with single crochet stitch. And after 7th round, we had decreases. Right next round, round 8, we will have single crochet increase again. This is when we will start crochet the body. So round 7 is this round right here, where the bubble is closed, became a round. And then we begin again increase to make the body of the butterfly. So this was the round 7, the last round to make bubble, the head, close it, and then increases are the round 8, and then round 9, 10, 11, and 12. Those rounds have the same amount of stitches, 16 single crochet stitches on a row. On a round you will crochet. Make sure only follow your rounds correctly, how many of them will be. You can always count those rounds. All those ridges of the body is a round. So if you lost your round, you can always cut on the counting those ridges on the body of the butterfly. Now, when you will finish round 12, you will see here this star and arrow. That means you have to move from this diagram to the next diagram. The diagram number 2. This diagram is a little different. So if we were going in this diagram outward, here we come in, this is our beginning, right in here. Our beginning here was in the center, and we went and moved out to round 12. Now our rounds starts again from star, it's right in here with 13 number, and number 12 is right here. It just, number 12 is given you here, you see, so that you can count. It's easier to see. And again, using the post-it note will help us to move up. So what we do here, here's the beginning, star moved to here, number 13, our round 13, we will have to make 11 stitches now. So this is basically what happened. You finished, number 12 is the last round that make this body of the butterfly a little bit narrower here, and then we will have this tail. So for number 13 we will have decrease. You see how it's made? Now we're going inward in our circle. We come in, this is our first round or it will be round, well, it will be round 13, but it's a first round for the tail, or for this diagram. This we will go from here and moving into the center. So we will have to make again decreases. Here they are, one decrease, and then we'll have to go and make one single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, and again. So we will have decreases 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and in between each decrease we'll have single crochet stitches. It's important to remember. And it will be total of 11 stitches. You can always count them. After that, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds of 11 stitches. You crochet in a circle the little tail of the butterfly, and it will be 11 stitches. And then round 19, 20, 21, and 22, this is your decreases. Each round, each of these rounds, 4 rounds, you will decrease all the time. So first time, decrease, and follow those lines. You see those lines, right? Decrease, and you can make 1, 2 single crochet stitches. Again, decrease, and following the line, 2 single crochet, and again decrease. So you'll have 1, 2, and 3 decreases, and in between 2 single crochet stitches. And this is how we go. Next round is 20. For that round we'll have 6 stitches. For round 21 also 6 stitches. So round 6 we will start and we'll make 1 single and then single crochet, decrease, following again 1 single, single crochet, decrease, again 1 single, and we came to the round 21. Round 21 also have 6 single crochet stitches, so that means you just crochet 6 single crochet stitches around. And the last round 22 you have again to make a decrease, only twice. You will have single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, and you're done. Your hole right here will be very small and invisible almost. It will be very difficult to crochet in that spot, but this is how it will look like. It's possible to make. You can take magnifying glasses or magnifying glass to crochet this piece, especially if you will use crochet thread like number 60 or 80, and some of you I know will try even number 100 for thread. So you will have to have magnifying glass, a very fine hook to crochet this kind of body of the butterfly. I wish you luck. If you have questions, please post them in a group or post those questions for me in send them to me by email, and I will explain to you more about this butterfly body. I think it's easy to make as soon as you know how to read the diagram, and please don't lose the stitches as you count. Good luck.